What's up, guys? Doing? Hey, shut the fuck up. I'm fucking filming over here, my guy.
I'm going first.
This is my fucking vlog. I started it.
Your house, but my vlog. You.
Fuck your camera.
All right, what is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you day 2 here in Maryland still, and we're at Jake's house, obviously. Got all the cars up there in a single file line, and I have a funny story to actually tell you why we have to park up there and not over in the driveway area. We're gonna get to that in just a moment, but Jake just got something pretty dope for the C8.
Headers are in, baby.
Long tube headers from LTH, right? Is that the actual brand?
Yeah, it's LTH. Yeah.
LTH. So he has the long tubes right there, and like, you go ahead and show them real quick. Obviously, in the Coyote world, you know, long tube headers, they're long, but these threw me off. That's all it is for a C8. That is literally all it is. Are you really gonna try to tackle this job by yourself?
I have a Corvette guy. He's a tech from the dealer. He's gonna come help me too. I've never taken anything apart of this caliber.
This is every nut and bolt counts on this car.
They said it was around like 300 bolts is what I've been told from people. Just because all the clips in the bumper and...
Oh, that's still a lot though. Wait, where does this one? Okay, we don't need it. Yeah, you'll have 10 bolts, but hey, if it still runs, it runs,
yeah,
right?
That's all I'm saying.
Screw it.
As long as I gap that yellow car right there.
Oh, dude, that's easy. You can do that on foot.
You're already faster than me, probably.
Hold my headers.
So here's the funny story about the whole driveway incident. We have all this blacktop right here and all the cars in a single file line up there on that hill. And that's because you have 2 dogs. This one's Meatball. This one is Guido.
They like to break out and eat everything. Exhibit A. Right there.
Yeah, Exhibit B.
Bro, how would they even get to the table and chew it?
Wait. Let's show them Exhibit C. Exhibit C.
Exhibit C for Corvette. They chewed my shit right here. They got a little hungry. They didn't eat enough that day, I guess. They got hungry, and so they chewed on my 2020 Corvette. I was mad at first, honestly, but at the end of the day, it's just a piece of plastic. That's a good story.
Yeah, that's character.
Makes it mine.
We went to Cars and Coffee, and people were like, what chewed on that?
Everyone's looking at it like, what did you hit? How could you hit something to mess that up? I'm like, oh, no, my dog chewed it.
You got some good little bite marks, and not only that, but they got your truck not too long ago, didn't they?
Oh, dude, yeah, I mean, we can see that too.
So here's the line of destruction. Anything on this side, be prepared.
Yeah, nothing's over here, so. They actually chewed 2 sets of wires on my truck, both for the ABS, one on that side and one on that side, because they're a piece of crap. They got hungry and just gnawed at the bottom of my air spoiler.
What is the moves? IHOP, right?
IHOP, dog.
That was a good one, man. And I think the GTR is actually coming out this morning. Starting that vlog?
Sir, first vlog.
Holy.
First 7X gang. Should I put the stick on the bottom of it?
Yeah, what are you, a rookie? How are you supposed to hold that? Oh my god.
I'm going back to bed on that one. That E85 life.
Yeah, E85 life.
Oh shit. Yo, down, get down. Are you scared? Are you scared? Is mine even on? Line up right now though. Oh yeah. Wish I could have washed the car before we came, but it's all good. Some fun back roads, aren't they?
Don't even look at it, it's slow as shit.
So I gotta ask, was this car annoying? Be honest.
Yeah.
I texted Jake, I was like, you know your dad's ears are being completely destroyed.
How does he drive this car every day?
I asked myself that same question. I get in the car, I'm on the way to work, I'm like, why the f do I drive this?
There's an S550. See, I like these C6s.
This one?
I do.
Or Z06?
Z06, I think, yeah. I love those. Next purchase, Raptor. Another
nice ride.
C8. Bro, are you serious? Hey, I do like the red.
I hate it without the spoiler.
Yeah, it needs a spoiler for sure. It's a sharp looking car. Yeah, C7 Stingray. It's a pretty neat color. Got a beautiful Fox here on the CC Dubs though. Dude, this is nice.
This is the first other Fox I've seen on CCW.
Dang, I love that wheel and tire setup. That is awesome. Nice clean interior. Love that setup, man. Look at this Camaro, guys. SS. Good God, look at that. Jesus. What? Dual supercharged setup. That is pretty cool. I'm gonna have to look into that. Got some more classics pulling up. Wow, this thing is nice. Jeez, man. Got some air probably back here. Looks like battery relocation. Dude, if I ever have like stupid money, this is something like this is in the collection. How do you feel about the red?
It's alright. I'm not a red car person, personally.
Look at this thing. Something about a black car with a carbon fiber hood. It goes so well. So sophisticated, but yet you can still see the small details. Ultimate dad mobile. The red GT350. We got an R34. Got some like color shift paint.
Spot on, right?
Looks good. All right, imagine having both of those and just windy roads. How fun would that be? I have to admit, this is definitely one I would consider. I'm not a big Porsche guy, but this is like on another level. God, dude.
That's a nice little car.
Thing's badass. Look at this NEWEDGE. What the hell? This is different. This is badass though. Look at that big ass
Small black Chevy.
Turby.
Got that small black Chevy in there.
Look at the Chevy symbol. Wow. This is gonna trigger a lot of people. Got a GT500.
Will Smith used that in the movie. Oh boy.
Bro, chill.
Chill. Dang. Hey Jake, does this bring back nightmares?
I'm straight scarred right now. That's the at me.
Beautiful color.
I like the wheels. It's actual true Shelby wheels.
Cam only other than add-ons.
Oh my god, it's so dirty.
So we just got back from Cars and Coffee. You saw a little bit of the cars. We actually have all the cars lined up right now. We're gonna do a nice little wash. Look at Lucifer though, smack dab in the middle. All looking good. So we are gonna get them all washed up. They need it, especially Brandon and I from the trip. Got a ton of bugs and just dirt. See the rear.